Hey guys, for the first video I thought I might show you around the shop, just kind of give you an idea of what it looks like, where I sit every day, and give you an idea of where I do what I do. Come on in. So here we are. This is the shop. This is where it all happens. See behind me, there's my desk. It's a disaster. It's messy. It stays like that most of the time. I could show you a clean shop, but I don't have a clean shop. I work out of this thing. So if we walk over here, this is a polisher. This is where we buff your jewelry and we make it look brand new again. Everything that we work on will generally have to be polished in the end, and that's how when you get it back and it looks brand new, this is where that happens. This is the workbench that I sit at. It's old, it's beat up. I've had it for I don't know, 20-something odd years, I guess, and again, it's dirty. I've seen people with clean jewelry workbenches, and I have no idea how they work on a clean workbench. I'd never be able to find anything. And then over here we have parts, more shelves full of stuff, watch batteries, and over here would be the cleaners, ultrasonic cleaner. That kind of vibrates and shakes all the dirt loose. And this, when it's turned on, is a steamer, and it steam cleans your jewelry. High pressure steam comes out of the nozzle, blows all the dirt off of it. And then pretty much all this stuff over here is for holster making. That's a real disaster there. And this would be the casting area. So burnout oven, vacuum table. This is where we make our flasks and our molds to cast with, and then ingot mold and mixing bowls, some other stuff. And if you noticed on the table here, there's a mixing console and a couple of microphones. So if you listen to the Dude Next Door podcast, that's where it's recorded, right there. So anyway, that's just a short preview of the shop here, where I go every day and do my thing. If you guys will hit that subscribe button, we'll take some more videos of each one of these tools and pieces of equipment and show you in more detail how they work. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching the video. Be sure and hit that subscribe button, share this page or this channel with your friends, and hope to do some work for you in the future. Thank you and God bless.